do you regret? Do you feel like this project was worth it? Which day of the week is it today again? I can't even remember what day of the week it is. Today I decided to step out. I need to go do some shopping, meet my sister, and go to the farm, get some stuff from the farm. So yeah, come with me and let's go.
Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but there were bad days too. And I know love is like the phases of the moon.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, Karibu.
Thank you. So y'all are gonna need to wash your hands.
Okay, I see. I see. We have to wash our hands here. Sanitizer.
Yeah, because sanitizer suppresses the germs, but like soap. A tiny one.
So you can wash it?
The others. And then you're gonna need to like disinfect your shoes.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay. Sawa.
No, it's
Gee.
is for the mini.
You're giving us so many instructions. So washing hands and then?
You wash your hands and then you disinfect your shoes because we don't know where you guys have come from.
We've just come from their house.
Yeah, well, we don't know what germs are in your houses. We don't want to
Jeez.
infect our birds.
Jeez. Sasa viatu na venye tumeva open shoes.
Yeah, you just have to kufanya tu nini na juu pole pole ndio isishike nini.
Ndio isiende kwa kiatu.
Yeah, isikuje kwa viatu.
Sawa.
Yeah, well, too bad we don't have nini.
Close shoes.
No, the thing for wiping your hands, so utachika tu simu hivyo.
This haina shida.
So this is not very like up to up to technology ama sijui what. Yeah, but basically that's
like what I've
do.
done.
Yeah.
So it's water and what inside?
Need disinfectant. Yeah.
So we don't infect the cuckoos.
Yeah. Make sure.
Balance it.
Ni open shoes and the sun, so hata ikienda itakauka tu in no time.
Yeah.
Puss, come on.
And that one.
Please stop. Stop being a bad packer.
You know Kinalolo might not be coming.
Yeah, she told me this paka is so needy. Stop drinking
Stop
that
going
water.
to the disinfectant.
It's still
it's
new.
Cute.
Yeah, yo, it's really small. It's missing its parents.
Kwani mliiba?
No, we bought it.
How much?
I don't even remember.
Puss.
So welcome to this very humble farm abode of ours. And this is the chicken house. And that is the residential area.
Who stays there?
The people who help us out in the farm.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
I've seen Jayako busy.
Yeah, because we have a client who's currently taking eggs. because we deal with middlemen. We sell eggs in wholesale. So there's someone who's currently.
We can't peep there.
Yeah,
We'd like to see the chicken. Sindo?
Yeah, you have to disinfect again. Again, this is not like top of the class, but it's working. So you have to disinfect again, especially for the people who actually.
Hey. Wow, the last time nilikuwa hapa they were so small.
Yeah.
So even unajua.
Sitaki kuingia ndani. I don't wanna get in here. I always do. I don't wanna go in here.
Where is the water supply?
The red.
Oh, the red drinker.
Yeah, the red
oh, the ones that are hanging.
Yeah, they are automatic drinkers. So like the water comes from the tanks outside. There's a pump there. And a pump through the black pipes and into the drinkers. So because it's like automatic. sorry.
How many months are they into laying?
So they started end January. We're in March.
Yeah,
April.
Yeah.
So 2 months now.
2 months now.
Yeah, probably.
So what happens at the end once they finish laying?
So when they finish laying, they lay for about 1.5 years, 18 months, non-stop. And when they finish laying, you basically have birds that cannot produce eggs anymore, so you sell the birds.
I'll come for some.
Yeah, definitely. And I think they taste like indigenous chicken.
They taste like indigenous chicken.
Yeah, because they're not like broilers, because we're not keeping them for like 5 or 6 weeks.
Yeah.
We're gonna have them for 2 years.
2 years, yeah.
And we're not feeding them pellets like broilers. It's chicken feeds that are not like tengenezwa, prepared with steroids. Not to say that broiler feeds have steroids, but like the fact that they take about 6 weeks.
Itatka kuruka nje?
Most likely, yeah. Ziko na nini? Ziko na
fast off.
Yeah. So after the 2 years are over, we're gonna have chicken, lots of chicken. So be sure to come for some.
Do you regret? Do you feel like this project was worth it?
I mean, like every other project, ikona challenges zake. First of all, we recently just had a challenge with the feeds, because the company where we're getting the feeds from, they gave us bad feeds, feeds that they had already expired.
Oh no.
And we didn't know. So there was a reduction in eggs production. There was like a decline in like 10 trays in one day, and of course we were like, "Kwani, what's going on?" And then so we had our vets come and take a look at the birds and the feeds, and that's when we realized that the feeds we were giving them are bad. So it's been about 3 weeks now of reduced egg production, because we were doing about 70 trays of eggs by the time about 3 weeks ago, and now we're back to like 50, 55, and it's taking a while to progress. Yeah. Like it's taking a while to pick
Did you
up.
notify the people who supplied?
Yeah, we did. We called the company and they came and checked the feeds and established that indeed the feeds zilikuwa expire. So we had an exchange. So now we're just monitoring.
So just exchange? No, nothing to pay for their fault?
No, they didn't take responsibility for that, and really there's nothing much you can do. But at this point, we're actually, because I don't know if you took notice of the sand there and the bricks. Yeah. We're trying to set up our own milling plant, so that then we're able to, you know, store our ingredients for producing the chicken feeds properly. Like with us, when we're producing the feeds, there's quality assurance, so we can, you know,
feed the chicken and even be able to
so we can avoid things like this, because like this is the first time, you know, we're trying this project and we've already lost so much money. We pumped in so much money.
Chicken
so
yeah, it's
poopy. on my head.
It just had to turn to poop.
So yeah, other than that, it's really capital intensive and human resource intensive. But
any regrets? You talked about the challenges, but do you think like this is a project you'd love to continue doing?
Definitely, definitely, because even expanding, the fact that I feel like for me, I get satisfaction from the fact that I'm able to produce something that reaches consumers instantly, like almost immediately.
Everybody eats eggs almost every day.
Exactly, and the fact that eggs are an affordable source of animal protein, you know, compared to meat or chicken. So you're able to feed like not only like super rich people, but you know, everybody. Yeah. So no regrets, absolutely no regrets. But the challenges ni nyingi. Yeah.
Sasa, me let me go. You give me my eggs. Sa. All I want is some eggs from you. So I don't know if the lighting is good on this side, but finally I'm at the farm. I'm going to be buying some eggs, so yeah, come with me. Risky? Hiyo kukutani hivyo?
Yeah.
The first time you saw that, how could freak?
My little freak. See, she knows what she's doing.
Mimi kufa mayai. I think amezoea, ndo mtu atake hiyo risk amezoea.
Umezoea? Ukizoea ni?
Haujaigeuza ianguke.
Umeweka gari kwa barabara?
So I'm here to collect my girl. Hey, did I say my girl? To collect my eggs, and that is my servant. Okay, that's the owner of the eggs. Damn, this is interesting. Nice farming.
So I can't do what the other lady was doing.
Yeah, so just
pack them
one by one.
Other.
Yeah, you are not an expert. So once mkimaliza hapa, you guys are going to the farm?
Yeah, tunaenda kwa shamba huko chini.
Sangapi? At 4?
Actually right now, sai tu.
What are nini kwa farm?
Kunde. Na terere. Na nini? Managu. Na sukuma.
Are they ready?
The kundes are ready, but I think we already sold all kundes.
Yeah, sold how? You harvested already?
Yeah, we harvested.
Where?
That's why I'm looking healthy.
Thank you. You have a pay-bill number?
No, we don't, because we have like specific suppliers.
So how much for this?
We do 300 shillings per crate, but we don't sell less than 70 crates. Yeah, so the least anybody can do is like 70 or say 50. So this is a favor because you're family and it's free.
It's free! Free stuff!
So maybe after we expand.
Oh, okay, so we'll hug but away like that. Because they say they don't shake hands.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
So Mimi,
so maybe after we expand, maybe we can have like a paybill number, because at the moment we're not even meeting the demand, so we can't have a paybill number.
So the demand is higher than the
supply.
Okay, so I'm just wondering, people who take them at 300 shillings, how much do they sell them today?
So the people who take them for 300 shillings sell them to like local supermarkets around or shops. They sell them for like 330 or 340 or 350 depending.
So if they take 100 crates, so they'll make
their profit margins are actually not that big.
But since they're doing huge numbers, it's good. Because now if somebody sells at, let's say, 340 and they sell 100 crates, 40 shillings, that is 4,000 per day.
Yeah.
I think that's good.
Yeah. And then you see we are
not taking the risk of kneeling.
Exactly.
Sasa, that's awesome. Really, thank you so much.
You are welcome.
I really appreciate it.
Yeah, you better. So you can close the gate behind you. I don't feel like walking you guys to the gate.
You have to walk us. Unaenda kukula?
Yeah, I'm gonna have lunch.
Okay, sasa basi. Bye.
What's the
Bye.
deal?
No, it's okay.
Okay, sawa.
Oh no, see me off.
Just as we were about to leave, I saw the chicken feed being taken into the chicken house. That simply means that the chicken were about to be fed, and I had to check out and obviously to see how they are doing it, considering the fact that they have a lot of birds in here. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Kindly give this video a like in case you're still here, and in case you're still watching and enjoying it, give it a like.
Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but there were bad days too. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know
So we are now finally done from the farm. Next we're going, where are we going?
Garden City, it's a mall.
Yeah,
We're going to pick up some decor.
Yeah, we're going to look, we're going to check out some decor before we can go back before the curfew time. So I hope you enjoyed this scene or this place. I like it. It gives me that vibe of, you know, like you don't even realize that you're in Nairobi. Look at that. Look at the background.
Yeah.
It looks amazing. So it's like a farm. Yeah. Of course it's a farm, but it looks like a farm outside Nairobi because it's big. Yeah. So yeah, now let's go. Let's go. What's that? Oh, okay, cool. Our next step, or our next stop, is here at Tile and Carpet Center, Garden City. We want to buy some decor. So you must sanitize. Huh? They're checking if you have fever. How? Ama unimgonjwa na anatembea na wewe. You have fever? Hebu nione. Oh, okay, sir. You have this candle. No? Lots of candles. They have nice art. Nini nakuanga poa. Yeah, the artificial plants. Akila hakuna, because I know how it looks. 2,700. Imagine this is 1,400. This monstera is 1,400. Yeah, they're cheaper. Yeah. Imagine this is 3,000 only. Imagine they're cheaper than those online shops. It's nice.
And I know love is like
This feels so comfortable, Annie. Unless you do. But how much is it?
And I know
But they're quite affordable.
I gave up way too soon.
For a couple, and that one. So our next stop is Victoria Cut. Is it closed? Where's the entrance? Maduya. Careful.
Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but there were bad days too. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know that's la la life, baby, let it be, enjoy the memory. Oh, that's la la life, that's la la life. Of the moon. And I know you would say I gave up way too soon.
Way later, we are cooking ugali. If you'd like to see me cooking ugali someday, let me know. So my sisters came visiting, and that lady over there, she's cooking for us. So we've cooked some, oh, these are some traditional vegetables. Chicken! Some chicken and ugali.